like this after applying glue and pressing the cloth from all the sides. Take a ribbon of any color, any size, and just wrap around the box like this. We will have to stick the ribbon. First make a knot like this, and then with the help of glue gun apply some glue and stick this ribbon to the box so that it should not move or fall down. Similarly, we will apply the glue all over the box like this. Here I'm cutting the extra cloth . If you remember, this is the lid of the box which we cut in the beginning. We will use it as the base of our box. So here I am applying the glue. Okay, so after applying the glue, I fix this sheet of cardboard on the bottom of the box. Now press it gently by applying pressure with the hands. Finally, our box is ready. In just 10 to 15 minutes, with some unused material, you can make it very easily at home. No need of any high creativity or any perfection. Just see how it looks. Anyone can make it at home. We already have these things available in our houses. I hope you all enjoyed watching my video, and I'm sure you all will make it at your home. Please give it a like, share with your friends, and subscribe to Shloks All-in-One channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.